What's up, everybody? Welcome to my blog. Today video will be about my tiburon. And yesterday I was coming home from work. I got an engine light for a mass airflow sensor, and we're gonna see if we can clean it out and maybe the light will go away. But first of all, let's see the code I have. Let's see real quick. Change this. My code right here. Let me see. I gotta go back to it. Yeah, the car is running fine, but trying to see if the camera's focused. I was coming home and that light came on, and I figured I want to go ahead and change it or either clean it before I spend $125. This scanner look like it's still loading. Gotta focus. There you go. So slow. Well, it's not working properly. Not sure why. Did I turn the car off? I don't think so, but I'm gonna try. I think I did. You got my key?
Right here.
That's probably why I didn't read it.
System ready.
I thought I had the key in the ignition the whole time. Oh, that thing don't want to focus. There you go. So it's a Hyundai. Go to it. Oh, that thing don't want to focus for nothing. Ah. Yes. There you go. Up. Mass airflow sensor. Focus. There you go. So what am I going to be doing today will be just cleaning the sensor to see if that'll fix my problem. But first of all, we gotta disconnect the battery. I already kind of got it loose here, so I'll take it here and then disconnect the sensor itself from here, disconnector. Get a flathead screwdriver, disconnect this clamp here. It's so hot because I was driving the car. It's hotter than that Zaxby chicken I was eating earlier.
Funny.
That thing was hot too. But this engine hotter than that chicken. So I make sure I leave this here. Take it out from here. So it don't look like it needs to be clean, but what I'm gonna do is spray CRC mass airflow cleaner, and it works really good. That's what I use all the time. So you spray it like this, and then it will dry really quick, and then you spray it this way, and then you gotta wait a couple seconds. The thing is, it's gonna dry quicker because it's so hot outside. So I just like let it sit a couple seconds, a couple minutes, and spray it again. Really good. This side too. It looks really clean to me. So like before, you spend $125, you can just buy this for like under $10 and then spray it, clean it if it's all gunky. You have all some type of web spiders, whatever you get in there. You never know what can get in there. But it just looked good, and I just want to go ahead and go the cheap route so I don't replace it if it don't need to be replaced. But I recommend this CRC cleaner from SF Flow Cleaner. Is really good. I really like this, and I used a previous car before, so I like this. But it looks like that dry really good. I'm gonna wait a little bit longer. But in the meantime, that we're gonna let it sit here. On this car, when I bought it, it had the box intake and the hose. It was so dirty and had holes and all that. That's why I got a short rim intake, and I got everything tightened so there's no leaking nowhere. And so it sounds good, you know. So I got the blue because, you know, blue car. So, and then after that, when I replaced this, the car was running better. But now the engine light came on for this SF Flow light. Looks good. This look like it looks good. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put everything back together. Make sure everything get airtight. And you had to be strong for that one right there. Make sure everything goes in. Tighten everything back really good. All the clamps gotta be tight. Just like that. And then all I gotta do from here, when I know it's so tight, it's not going nowhere, put it back here in this coupling. Make sure you tighten this up also. Make sure no air can get in or get out. Oh, I just saw a little ant right here. It look like it's not hot enough for him. I'd rather have an ant than a snake. You know what I'm saying? Like Wild Wild West, you know. Let me see. Make sure it's really tight. Just like that. And after that, you get this sensor right here. When you hear the sound, it's good. I put the battery connector back together really good. It's not going nowhere. So now what we're gonna do, let me see that real quick. We're gonna go erase the code. I don't know if it's gonna focus. It just don't want to focus today. Go to Hyundai, yes. Erase all codes, yes. Say all the codes are erased. So now I'm going to start the car, unplug this. Start the car, see where we at.
Testing. System ready.
It looks good to me. Hopefully it won't come back on, but you know, we'll see it in time. So now, I think it's about to rain. And then, so today's video was short. Also, I just wanted to make sure that before you buy a SF Flow sensor, you just clean it and drive it for a little while, and then maybe if it stay off, that means it's fixed. If not, I say focus on the SF Flow sensor and replacing it, but that's the cheapest route for now. And then don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. See y'all later.